The system of law may be classified as international law and state law. Again, state law may be classified as private law and public law. Again, public law may be classified as constitutional law, administrative law, and criminal law. Again, the criminal law may be classified as substantive law and procedural law. International law. The sovereign states of the world have set out certain principles for the maintenance of harmonious interrelations between two independent states. These principles and rules are collectively known as international law. State law. Certain principles of law for smooth running of life within the state that are prescribed by the state are known as state law. The state law may be classified as private law and public law. Private law, it is a body of law that largely regulates the activities and relations of the constituents of single class. Public law is a body of law that largely regulates the state activities. It determines and regulates the organization and functions of the state and determines the relation of the state within its subjects. Public law may be classified as constitutional law, administrative law, and criminal law. Constitutional law, it is mainly deals with the constitution of the machinery of the state, and it also decides powers and duties conferred upon the subjects. Administrative law. This law deals with the procedure in which administrative functions are to be carried out. Criminal law. It is also a branch of public law. The criminal law deals with definitions, several proceedings of the courts at various states, punishment of crime, etc. Criminal law of India has been codified in the Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code. Thus, criminal law may be divided into two classes. Those are substantive law and procedural law. Substantive law. It deals specifically with offences. It defines the offences and provides punishment for the offences. For example, IPC is a substantive law. Procedural law. The procedural law lays down the general principles of jurisdiction, power of courts, and prescribes procedure, manner, and mode in which jurisdiction may be exercised. For example, CRPC provides procedure for the investigation and trial of the criminal cases, lays down the principles of jurisdiction and power of criminal courts.